Instantly inject hilarious sound effects into your calls and streams with this super simple PC soundboard guide. First, we need to find a fantastic soundboard application. Head over to your preferred web browser and search for free PC soundboard software. You'll see a variety of options for this tutorial. We'll be using a popular and user-friendly choice. Look for reputable download sites. We recommend downloading from the official developer's website if possible to ensure safety. Once you've chosen your soundboard, locate the download button and click it. The software will begin downloading to your computer. It's usually a small file, so it shouldn't take long. After the download is complete, navigate to your downloads folder or wherever your browser saves files. Find the downloaded installer file and double-click on it to begin the installation process. You'll likely see an installation wizard follow the on-screen prompts. Most installations are straightforward except the license agreement. Choose an installation location on your computer and then click install. Once it's done, you might see an option to launch the application right away. Now that your soundboard is installed, let's open it up. You'll see a clean interface with many buttons, each ready for a sound effect. Many soundboards come with a selection of preloaded sounds like laughs, alerts, or applause. Simply click on a button to play the sound. But the real fun is adding your own custom sounds. To do this, usually, you can right-click on an empty button or look for an add sound or import option within the application. Click that, and then browse your computer for any audio file you want. Like your favorite meme sound or a funny reaction clip, select the file, and it will be assigned to that button. Now you're ready to entertain during your next video call, stream, or recording. Open your soundboard application and click the buttons for instant audio fun. This adds a whole new level of interactivity and humor to your digital interactions, making every chat a little more memorable.